Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech Gadget once again. Today I'll be unboxing the SkullCandy Airpod. I have two here with me. I'll be unboxing one of them. So there are two SkullCandy Airpod. You know, they're around about this Airpod and they are making wave in the Airpod industry. You can see they have two types. They have different type, so I'll be unboxing one of them today and I will be testing them to see if their quality is really what the price they are sold for. Before you go into it, kindly make sure you click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video if you are a new subscriber. And don't forget, if you're an existing subscriber, make sure you share this video with your friends and family, as this particular iPod might be another substitute that will save them some dollars. I have decided to unbox the SkullCandy True Freedom No Distraction. As the name implies, no distraction. You can see, as the name implies, no distraction. I believe the noise cancellation of this kind of AirPod is going to be massive. It's going to be massive. The package was tampered with during delivery, so don't mind the little scratches here and there. So I'll be unboxing these. Let's go into it and see what is inside. Okay, so I'll be opening. Make sure there is a seal here. The seal here is not broken. There is a seal. Make sure it's not broken. So when you open that, okay, now this is container. You can see this is a container. This is what we expect to be inside. Oh, this what they are saying about the AirPod. We don't really need this. Let's throw this away. Okay, this is what we have inside. When the package arrives, we have a manual which is written in French and English in two languages. Let's put the manual outside. Then we have this. This is where the AirPods are. This is where the AirPods are, but I put them inside the box to charge them. Okay, so I'll be bringing out the box. We don't need this. Okay, this is what we have now. Wow, I think I love the design. The design is amazing. Fast charge port. It has a fast charge port and it has a good design for grip. It's nice. You can see this is their logo for most of their products. You have to see this on all SkullCandy products, and this is literally the front. You open it, okay, you can see the AirPods are inside and it's ready to connect. Let's see what they say inside the manual. Okay, this is the manual. Okay, do this to first pair. Okay, this is what they are telling us to do. From what I understand, this is the procedure to pair. You know the manual. We are in digital age. We use the manual anymore. A lot of writings, but you know what? Bullshit. We don't need it. So this is what you're going to do to pair it. You're going to open the box. You see it's red. Then you are going to bring out the two ports. When you bring out the two ports, it's going to turn blue. Let me get a phone now and try it out. It's going to turn blue, then it connects to your device. I have my phone here, so this is what you need to do to pair the device. Bring out the two port. Okay, you check for indie Bluetooth. You see it literally blinks blue. You could see, can you see that? It's connected. That's 100% charged. It's connected. I don't know why it's reconnecting, but it's connected. So I'm going to return one because I'll be using one of the year and see how the sounds feel. So it's connected now. So I'll be using one of the year. Then I'll be playing music on my phone and see what it sounds like. I don't know if this mic is going to pick it, but the bass is really good. Okay, that's the AirPod I'm putting on the mic. Okay, that'll be all for now, but the sound is mad. One sweet thing about it is this: if you want to stop the music, you tap it twice. If you want to next it, there's a way you can increase it. I believe that is on the material, and each pod battery lasts for 19 hours each. 19 hours each, from what they say, from playtime, from their manual. And this is the charges. This white indicator shows you the pod's battery. It's a nice design. If you want to activate the noise cancellation, you have to use the two AirPods, and I can tell you, you would literally not hear anything from the surrounding. You should be careful using the two AirPods on the road. Please be careful about that. Be careful in using the two AirPods on the road. Please be careful. And you know, the the Type-C port it has makes it easy and fast to charge. This is very, very beautiful. But one downside I don't like about the pod is this. Okay, you can see it's really heavy. As for quality products, you know their weight is kind of heavy. Opening the case, the top cover looks too light and simple. Like, I don't know, but I just feel they could actually do more with this top cover. You could hear the sound. Looks too simple for me, but for the price compared to other products, you are getting an amazing product. That's just it. That's the only downside I see. I used it for some couple of hours yesterday, and I didn't have any ear itching. Like, maybe if you are the type if you use AirPod for a very long time, you get discomfort in your ear. This is not the case. I don't know how they achieved that, but kudos to them. That's one of the things I love about it. The comfort is there. And if you could check the price on Jumia and on Konga, this is a very expensive AirPod. But here at A3 Tech, we are doing a market research to see what people think about this AirPod. So we are dropping a price slash for limited quantity. If you really need one of these, you could chat us out from the link in the description section, and we'll be glad to send it to you wherever you are in Nigeria. Note, you might need to pay a little for delivery. Thank you for watching today's video. In my next video, I'll be unboxing these two tactical stun gun. Tactical 4-stun gun. Why is the best for you to protect yourself? I'll be showing you what it's inside, how it works, and why it is the right option for you if you are in an environment where there are a lot of miscreants. You need one of these. If you are a Bolt driver, Uber driver, to protect yourself from robbery, you need one of these to get to safety. So why not subscribe and leave the notification bell on so that you get notified each time I drop a video. And as we do on this channel, we upload videos that will give you insights about money making opportunity and financial management. You don't want to miss any of our video. Thank you very much for staying tuned, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.